Just think of it, all this and more. Day or night, the underwater world is always exciting. It's always challenging. And every day, more and more people seem to decide, trying to solve one of the sea's many mysteries.
That as vivid a series as you could do, as disturbing a series as you could do, that it might not lead to the kind of change you as a journalist would wish to see?
Yes. Yeah, that was and still is a big concern about. There probably won't be any clear big fix